How to add LP on Metis using Athena Finance. Visit athenafinance.io. Click on the Stake button. Connect your wallet. Select the All Pools tab at the top. Choose your desired pool. In this video, we select the Metis ATH pool. To join the Metis ATH pool, you need LP tokens, which you can obtain from Hummus. Click Go to Hummus, as shown on the screen. Enter the Metis tokens amount you wish to add to the pool. Click Approve Metis and approve the transaction in your wallet. Click Approve ATH and approve the transaction in your wallet. Click Supply and then Confirm Supply. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Now you have LP tokens for the Metis ATH pool. Return to the All Pools tab and select the Metis ATH pool. Enter the amount of Metis ATH LP tokens you want to deposit. Click Approve and approve the transaction in your wallet. Click Deposit and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Visit athenafinance.io to discover a range of pools linked to Hummus, each offering boosted yields. How to lock ATH tokens to earn rewards. Locking your ATH tokens grants you access to ATH rewards, protocol revenue sharing, and bribe rewards from Hummus. Navigate to the All Pools tab. Select the locked ATH pool. Enter the amount of ATH tokens you want to lock. Click Approve and approve the transaction in your wallet. Click Lock and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Click the Your Assets tab to view your productive assets. Congratulations! Now that you've locked your ATH, here's an extra tip. Head over to the Vote page to cast your vote and claim your portion of the harvested bribe rewards.